Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu says Hazrat Abu Bakr and Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu happened to pass by one of the gatherings of the helpers who were weeping. He, Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, asked, "Why are you weeping?" They replied, "We are missing Prophet's meeting with us." So he went to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and apprised him of that. Whereupon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came out, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had folded a corner of the sheet around his head like a bandage. The transmitter says he sallallahu alaihi wasallam mounted the pulpit, and it was the last time he ascended the pulpit. He then praised and glorified Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and said, "I enjoined you to do good to the Ansar, helpers, for they are my confidant, like a stomach and a pouch. They have fulfilled what obligations had been enjoined on them, but there remain their rights to be granted. So accept the good deeds of the good doers amongst them, and pardon the wrongdoers amongst them." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3799.